Next we are going to see example 1.22. If f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, g of x is equal to 2x plus k, and if f composite g is equal to g composite f, then find the value of k. In this question, you have to find f composite g and g composite f. Then you have to equate the two composition of function. Then you have to find the value of k. Let us see the solution. First, as usual, you have to find f composite g. F composite g is nothing but f of g of x, which is equal to f of g of x value is 2x plus k. Now this will be a f of x. So f of x value is 3x minus 2. So instead of x, you have to write 2x plus k. So 3 into 2x plus k minus 2. The next step is you have to multiply this. So 3 into 2x is 3 2s are 6x plus 3 into k is 3k minus 2. This is your f composite g. Next you have to find g composite f. So which is nothing but g of f of x, which is equal to g of f of x value is 3x minus 2. So here you have to write 3x minus 2. Next, g of x is equal to 2x plus k. So instead of x, you have to put 3x minus 2, which is equal to 2 into 3x minus 2 plus k, which is equal to, next step you have to multiply 3 2s are 6, so 6x minus 2 2s are 4 plus k. This is your g composite f. Now we find the value of f composite g and g composite f. The next step is you have to equate this two composition of function. So f composite g is equal to g composite f, which is given in the question. So therefore we know f composite g value is 6x plus 3k minus 2. So 6x plus 3k minus 2, which is equal to g composite f of value is 6x minus 4 plus k, which is equal to 6x minus 4 plus k. Next you have to take the k value to one side and constant value to next side. So 6x, here also you have 6x. So if you take to that side means you get minus 6x plus 3k. Then here you have k. So if you take to this side means you get minus k, which is equal to only constant term you have this side minus 4. Then you have to take minus 2 to right hand side, you get plus 2. So which is equal to plus 6x and minus 6x gets cancelled, and 3k minus k is nothing but 2k, which is equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2, because bigger number sign have negative. So which is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. Here 2 is a multiple of k. So if you take to this side means it will become divide. So 2 gets cancelled. So k is equal to minus 1. That's all. Now we find the value of k. Next we are going to see the example 1.23. The question is find k if f composite f of k is equal to 5, where f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. Before problems we are seeing f composite g. We are taking composition between two functions. But in this question we are taking composition between a single function. Now let us see the solution. Given f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. Next we are going to find f composite f of k. We have to find the composition, the value is given. So f composite f of k is nothing but f of k, which is equal to f as it is you have to write. Then f of k value is given in the question is 2k minus 1. So 2k minus 1. Again this will be of k. So f of k. So instead of f of k you have to put the function 2k minus 1. So 2 into, again instead of k you have to write 2k minus 1. So 2k minus 1 minus 1. The next step is you have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4. So 4k minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 4k minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this is your f composite f of k value. But the question itself they are given f composite f of k value is equal to 5. So you have to equate the value. So which is equal to 4k minus 3 is equal to 5. So 4k is equal to, we are taking the constant term to right hand side. So 5 minus 3, if you take to right hand side means it will become plus 3. So 4k is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. So k is equal to 8 divided by 4. So k is equal to 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So k is equal to 2. That's all. The next problem in exercise 1.5 has the same model like we have seen in example 1.22 and example 1.23. Let us see the problem. Find the value of k such that f composite g is equal to g composite f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 6x minus k. So solution, first you have to find f composite g. So f of g of x you have to find. So f g of x value is 6x minus k. Again this whole will be your x. So instead of x you have to write 6x minus k. So 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. Next step you have to multiply. So 6 3s are 18. So 18x minus 3k plus 2. This will be your f composite g. Next you have to find g composite f. So g of f of x, which is equal to g of f of x value is 3x plus 2, which is equal to 3x plus 2. Next this whole will be your x. So g of x value is 6x minus k, which is equal to 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. Same procedure you have to multiply it. So 6 3s are 18x plus 6 2s are 12 minus k. So this is your g composite f. Now we have the value for g composite f and f composite g. Next you have to equate f composite g and g composite f to find the value of k. So f composite g is equal to g composite f. F composite g value is 18x minus 3k plus 2, which is equal to g composite f value is 18x plus 12 minus k. So here also 18x, here also 18x, we can cancel it because if you take to this side means left hand side means it will become minus 18. So plus 18x minus 18x as usual you get 0. So here you have minus 3k, then you are taking the k term to left hand side. So minus k will become plus k, which is equal to, here already you have 12. Then if you are taking plus 2 to right hand side, you are having minus 2. So minus 3k plus k will become minus 2k, which is equal to 12 minus 2 is 10. So k is equal to 10 divided by minus 2, which is equal to 5 2s are 10. So k value is minus 5. Then second question of second subdivision. The question is f of x is equal to 2x minus k and g of x is equal to 4x plus 5. This is your homework. Thank you, students. Next question is, if f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2, then show that f composite g is equal to g composite f is equal to x. In this question, you have to find f composite g and g composite f. Both are equal, which we have to get the value as x. So let us see the solution. First, you have to find f composite g, which is nothing but f of g of x, which is equal to f of g of x value is x plus 1 by 2. So x plus 1 by 2, which is equal to, now this is equal to your f of x, this whole will be your x. So f of x value is 2x minus 1. So instead of x you have to put this value. So which is equal to 2 into x plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. 2 gets cancelled, which is equal to x plus 1 minus 1. So again plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, which is equal to x. So f composite g value is x. Now let us check g composite f value. So g composite f is equal to g of f of x, which is equal to g of f of x value is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1, which is equal to, now this is your x. So g of x value is given in the question as x plus 1 by 2. So 2x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, which is equal to 2x divided by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So g composite f is equal to x. So we can easily see that f composite g value is also x and g composite f value is also x. So we have proved that f composite g is equal to g composite f is equal to x. Next, fourth question, first subdivision. If f of x is equal to x square minus 1, g of x is equal to x minus 2, find a if g composite f of a is equal to 1. So in this question, f of x value is given, g of x value is also given. You have to find the value of a if g composite f of a is equal to 1. First, you have to find g composite f of x. Then you have to convert the term x into a. So now let us see the solution. First, you have to find g composite f. So g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x, which is equal to g of f of x value is x square minus 1. Next, this will be your x. So g of x value is x minus 2. So instead of x, you have to put x square minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to x square minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to x square minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So this is your g composite f of x. But in this question, they given the value of g composite f of a is equal to 1. So we are going to convert the term x into a, which is implies g composite f of a is equal to a square minus 3. This value is given in the question as 1. So 1 is equal to a square minus 3. So you are taking the constant term to left hand side. So 1 minus 3 if you are taking to this side means plus 3 is equal to a square. For our convenience, we are changing like this. So a square is equal to 1 plus 3. So a square is equal to 4. If you are taking the square to right hand side, it will become square root. So a is equal to root 4. So now if you have find the root of 4, A square means you know it has 2 roots. So A is equal to root 4 values plus or minus 2. Similarly, fourth question as second subdivision. That's your homework. Find k if f of k is equal to 2k minus 1 and f composite f of k is equal to 5. Already we solved the problem in example. So, same procedure you have to use it here. Thank you.